Hi, how are you? I wanted to go ahead and show this to you in hoping that it might help you see what I'm talking about instead of just trying to explain it. So this is your draft that I pulled up, and I can see here that you basically deleted all of these comments, but of course they're still here. Okay, there's still issues. So these were my original comments. And then in your effort to basically do those things, put in the corrections, I'm just seeing all of this green text. And so for me, it's hard for me to tell what's getting accepted by you, what you want to keep, what's not supposed to be there. So what I suggest is that you come to the very beginning of your document, you go to edit, select all. Okay, so you've selected everything. Then you come over to review, and then you come over to accept, and you accept all the changes. Okay. And when you do that, this all comes out, the green goes away, and I can still see these original comments. I can click on them and see them and see they're showing up over here in the comment sort of area. But I also can X out of the comment area, and then I've got a very clean draft that I can use, and I can see where the things were changed if I need to. But really at this point, I'm just interested in seeing your excellent work. And so I wanted to make sure that this is what I'm actually getting to look at as we move forward. Okay. There are no issues with the content of the introduction. We may make some changes to the introduction moving forward. That's normal for everyone, because as you write your lit review and your entire project, sometimes the introduction does change, and that's okay. That's amazing. It's not a problem. So that's kind of where we are. So I hope that helps you. This is what I want to see come in. Okay. So now there's times when you're going to submit a draft to me and I won't even have any comments. So that's possible as well. But when I do, I'm just going to ask you to accept them after you've made the corrections. Go ahead and accept them. Okay. And then move on and send it in. Okay. I hope that helps. If it doesn't, please give me a call and I can answer any questions that you have. You're doing a great job. Keep up the great work.